everyone. I am Madhu Ranjit Singh, Creative Head, Inner Space, Interior Designing and Consultation. Greetings for the season to all of you, and I am so overwhelmed and grateful कि मैं बता नहीं सकती how happy I am that we've finally crossed 1,000 followers on YouTube. Thank you so much to all the 1,170 followers, to be precise, that we finally got. And from here on, we are looking forward to give much more enriching experience to all you followers and also all the others who would be coming on board from here on. So my heartfelt gratitude from the entire Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation team. I hope you have been enjoying the content that we have been creating, and you would be enjoying the content that we would be creating from here on. So there are a lot of projects which are in pipeline, and also the previous projects that we have done. We would like to cover, I'm trying to cover up how to present it to you guys, so that in simple terms में, like you will be able to relate with the projects, you will be able to relate with the technicalities, you will be able to relate with all the daily, detailing on small things, like how you can actually make your home look better, or look your spaces better with more in-depth knowledge, but in simple terms. So आप सबको बहुत 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 धन्यवाद इतना सारा ढेर सारा प्यार देने के लिए. आपके कमेंट्स, आपके लाइक्स एंड काफ़ी फीडबैक्स जो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहे हैं पास्ट में. एंड आगे भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप हमें ज़रूर बताइए कि किस तरह के वीडियोस आप देखना पसंद करेंगे, किस तरह का कंटेंट आप देखना पसंद करेंगे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक्स जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाहेंगे. एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू इंटीरियर्स डिज़ाइनिंग एज वेल एज योर डेकोरेशन पार्ट. तो आपको जो भी टॉपिक आपको लगता है कि हाँ मुझे इस बारे में मुझे थोड़ी नॉलेज ज़्यादा चाहिए, एंड एक बहुत ही सिंपल टर्म्स में, तो हमें बहुत खुशी होगी कि आपके सामने उसके पूरे डिटेल्स निकाल के एंड आपके सामने प्रेजेंट कर सकें एक बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाइड और खूबसूरती से. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन. डू हिट द बेल for further notifications, and do like our channel, our videos, do comment on our videos down below with your valuable comments, because your observation is from where we learn. आप हमें डायरेक्ट कीजिए, we are here to follow. आप हमें बताइए कि आपको क्या चाहिए एंड हम वो बनाएंगे. And that is how we have been always working with the clients as well. After all, interiors is not to do about the interior designer. It is about the person who is going to use that space. On our journey of 15 years, we have, I would say that we would like to thank the universe for giving us the opportunity to work with people, with lovely clients, lovely people, and who trusted us, and the tuning between us and the client was so beautiful on every project that we during the handover we used to have such amazing emotional experiences naturally coming out from the clients. Naturally the client would like kind of become vulnerable. We have actually seen the clients being totally vulnerable and expressing their gratitude, expressing their happiness, seeing the entire project in front of their eyes live. So we feel very like I would say blessed. We feel very, very blessed that in all these years we have had an interaction with amazing people, amazing families, a lot of experience, a lot of things to learn personally, professionally, spiritually, I would say, because interiors for us is somewhere very, very spiritual. And see, this business is of trust, and we are so blessed and thankful and grateful that 80% of our clients come by word of mouth, and 20% are the ones who come who are the new clients, and then obviously that keeps on increasing. From this 20% again we get reference clients. And when it's like a meditation, creating something from nothing. So the ideas are basically in the client's head. Okay, he has or she has or they have some kind of vague requirements and some image about their home or about their office or spaces that they are going to work on. And when they translate that to us, when they discuss, which we call it as a brief, when they brief us on what they have in their mind, we as interior designers try to catch all the cues and then translate those into the designs. And then after a good 3 to 4 months or 4 to 5 months, whatever the specified time period is for that particular project, when we see things building up, things coming up live, what was here and then on the paper, and then it's actually coming live in front of you, and the feeling of satisfaction that it gives is I just can't explain here. And similarly, after the project is all done, and then when we present that kind of a project, that particular project, or our knowledge, we share our knowledge on YouTube or on the social media platforms with our viewers, that happiness doubles up. And it is sometimes we do have kind of concerns, or sometimes we're not able to break that, get a breakthrough as to how we can actually kind of communicate that particular idea on screen. But then yes, we try our level best, and it feels good when the viewers reciprocate in a very positive manner, and that actually kind of gives us motivation in order to present it in a more simplified manner. बहुत ही simplify करके उस चीज़ को हम try करते हैं कि उस चीज़ को आप लोगों के सामने हम रखें. So I would request that please keep guiding us, please keep showing us a way out. Please do give us your comments on our videos, on our work. Do hit the like button, do share it with your people, your loved ones, and we as a team assure you more and more enriching experience in terms of interior design. So thank you so much once again to all the 717 subscribers, followers. Thank you very much. Thank you so much and keep motivating us. Love you guys. Love you.